Welcome to Birds of Australia. In Australia, from the cold climate down south to all the way up north in the tropics, we find a great variety of bird species.
This is the Silvereyes. The Silvereyes is a small omnivorous passerine bird of 10 centimeters in length and barely 10 grams in weight, and is characterized by the remarkable ring of white feathers around its eyes. Their diet is made up of insects, fruits, and pollen. Silvereyes perform a valuable service in gardens and orchards, eating insects harmful to fruit growing, including aphids, mealybugs, and moths. However, some horticulturists, wine growers, and home gardeners consider them a serious pest, especially since, being so small, they simply ignore the bird nets, which enter and exit through the net at will. They are attracted to a wide range of fruit species, including apples, citrus, guavas, figs, grapes, and pears. Its habitat extends to all of Oceania and parts of South Asia. In Australia, the silvereye is found in the eastern, southern, and western coastal areas. Another extraordinary behavior of this tiny bird is in its annual migration. It crosses the Bass Strait of 200 kilometers long that separates the island of Tasmania from the southern coast of Australia. This long-distance flight is performed during the night, a truly amazing feat for birds measuring 10 centimeters and weighing only a few grams.